does a good pump truck look like? Today it's there. Let's come and have a look at it. This 65-meter pump truck was produced in 2021 with a mileage of 22,600 kilometers. Equipped with Benz engine, it's powerful and can output 480 horsepower. It has excellent pumping capacity, and the theoretical concrete displacement can reach 180 cubic meters per hour under low pressure and 125 cubic meters per hour under high pressure. The boom of the pump truck adopts advanced shock absorption and swing control technology, which can monitor the end stages of the boom in real time, ensuring the accuracy and stability of the construction. The smart intelligent control system uses advanced sensors and control technology to achieve efficient, accurate, and reliable operation of the pump truck. Sunny 65-meter pump truck, you deserve it!